Alright, so now we're getting ready to start a very complex area, which is right here. Good to have a bucket around so you can keep cleaning. In this case we have a bit of a sink, but I don't really like to see so anyway, we're going to wipe all this down with sponges just a little bit, make sure everything is pushed solid in. I want to make sure they'll get those grooves cleaned out. Okay, now why is all that hanging? Okay, we got that corner cut over this. There's a start. You want to keep cleaning up, getting all those grooves cleaned up inside here so the grout won't have a different color sticking out, which we'll do. And then we'll get back with you. But one thing I should note is that we had loose drywall around the frame here and we put screws in so it wouldn't move. We don't want any of that movement. And we nailed down all the staples and nails and things by running a hammer over it and then finding it and hammering it down. And then again, we'll show you as we go across for the lighting. But there's the start of the corner, and we start moving across, back and forth.